100% polyester. Deconovo Blackout curtains are made of 100% high-quality imported polyester fabric, are silky, smooth, drapery, and are both decorative and functional. Each curtain panel has 8 grommets convenient for installation. Our thermal insulated curtains are energy-saving panels that reflect heat from outside in summer and reduces the amount of heat loss during winter, thus helps in saving on air conditioning. These are noise-reducing drapes, will make your homes tranquil in noisy neighborhoods. These room darkening curtains obstruct the sunlight from getting into any room at any time, perfect for those easily distracted by light. Deconovo light-blocking curtains are not see-through once fully closed. The package contains one panel, each measuring 52 wx 63 L inch. The room darkening insulated curtains are graceful, soft to the touch and available in various colors and sizes to fit your needs. Machine washable at 86 degrees Fahrenheit, on gentle cycle. Do not bleach, do not tumble dry, and should be ironed at low temperature settings. Top reviews from the United States. Great simple curtain. I've had these for over a year and a half. First got them in turquoise for our front room and the back sliding door, and then lavender for the den. The grommets slide nice and easy on the rod, no fussing with complicated rod pockets. The colors are lovely and there is such a great selection. The sliding door used to have the annoying panel blinds that always break. This is so much less hassle. We live in as and keep them close as much as we can to help keep the cool in. It was 116 today and bless these things, they work. They do collect dog hair but are easy enough to launder. My sister is getting a set herself. Can't beat that price for the quality.